Welcome to this standalone explainer on O1 and test time compute. In 2024, the goal of reinforcement learning quietly shifted from making a model sound good to making it be correct. And the way it got more correct was almost human. It learned to slow down and think longer before answering. By the end of this video, you will understand how reinforcement learning teaches that and the brand new scaling law it unlocked, where accuracy grows simply with how long the model is allowed to think. Here is the plan. How reinforcement learning rewards correct reasoning instead of human taste. The two distinct ways you can now spend compute, a worked example of a thinking budget, and the second scaling law, accuracy versus thinking time. The intuition is simply this: give the model scratch paper. Hard problems need working out, not an instant reply. So we let the model write a long, private chain of thought before it answers, and we reward it only when the final answer is correct. We never tell it how to reason, we only grade the result. Under that pressure, it learns to use the scratch paper well. O1, released in September 2024, was the first model trained with heavy reinforcement learning specifically in order to reason. The reward was pure correctness of the final answer, something you can check automatically. And on competition math, where earlier models scored in the low teens, the gains were enormous. Suddenly, a language model was doing Olympiad-level problems. The key mechanism is that there are now two separate ways to spend compute. Train time compute is the reinforcement learning that teaches the model how to reason. You pay it once up front. Test time compute is letting the model think longer on each individual problem, more backtracking, more self-checking, and you pay it per question. The surprising discovery was that spending more at test time keeps raising accuracy. Let us make it concrete. Take one fixed model and one question and just vary how many reasoning tokens it is allowed to use. At 256 tokens, it solves about 20%. At 1,000, 45. At 4,000, 68. At 16,000, 80%. Look at the pattern. It is roughly log linear. Every doubling of thinking buys another steady slice of accuracy, and none of this required retraining the model. You are simply handing it more scratch paper at answer time. Now, the honest edge case, thinking longer is not always worth it. Ask what 2 plus 2 is, and more tokens just make the same correct answer slower and pricier. Ask for the capital of France, and thinking does not help at all. It is recall, not logic. So the scaling law is not magic. It only pays off on problems that genuinely need reasoning. For lookup and easy questions, extra thinking is pure waste, which is why real systems try to spend the thinking budget only where it counts. Here is that thinking budget as a curve. This rising line is, in a sense, the headline image of the entire reasoning era. More compute spent at inference means more problems solved. It is a completely different lever from making the model bigger, and it changed how the field thinks about progress. It is not all upside. A model can overthink and talk itself out of a correct answer. Latency and cost grow with every extra token, and because the chain of thought is hidden, it can conceal unsafe reasoning. On top of all that, OpenAI kept the O1 recipe closed, and reproducing it in the open is exactly what the next video, DeepSeek R1, is about. Step back, and the deep shift is that we now have two scaling laws instead of one. The old one from Kaplan in 2020 said accuracy grows as you make the model and data bigger. The new one says accuracy also grows with how long the model thinks at inference. And reinforcement learning is the ingredient that makes long reasoning productive rather than just rambling. Two knobs now: train bigger or think longer. Here's the mental model to walk away with. For years, there was essentially one knob for making models better: make them bigger with more data and more parameters. One added a second independent knob. Let the model think longer at answer time. And reinforcement learning is the ingredient that makes that extra thinking productive rather than rambling. So from now on, there are two knobs, not one, and you can trade between them. So, in short, O1 used reinforcement learning on verifiable correctness to teach long reasoning, and it unlocked accuracy that grows with test time thinking. It proved this was possible, but kept the exact recipe secret. In the next standalone video, we open that recipe up with GRPO, the algorithm that made reasoning RL both open and cheap. Thanks for watching.